Do you want to get free money? Free $20. We're going to show you how to get a free $20 right now. All you got to do is follow the video and what is going to be said by Ken here in a second. All right, you guys ready to go get your free money, free cash, free bucks, whatever you want to call it, free money.
Hey, welcome to step number one, the Netspend step. Guys, this step is really easy. The form can take as little as 60 seconds to fill out. It's really up to you how fast you type. That's how easy it is. As soon as you get your card, it'll come in a matter of 5 to 7 days typically. Could take up to 10 days, but it will be delivered to you. Be sure that you activate your card right away. What does that mean? Call the number on the card, call the number that is delivered to you in the envelope with your card, and activate your card. Okay? And then as soon as you activate your card, go load your card with $40. Now that $40 is your money. It's instantly available on your card. You can literally turn around, spend the money right away, buy some gas, buy some groceries. It's not money that is going to part from you for any moment, because the second it leaves your hand and goes on the card is the second it's available on your card. But the great thing is that they give you an additional $20. I literally went down to the local grocery store, which had a Western Union in it. At the front of the store, I loaded my card with $40. Before I exited the store, literally on my way out the door, I got a text message that said, your Netspend card now has a $60 balance. That's an extra $20 that I didn't have 1 minute before that I can now spend. I literally went back in the store and bought $60 worth of groceries. That was my money, and I had it immediately. So it can happen really fast. It did for me. Expect the very best. Guys, if you're wondering, how could this be? Why would people give $40 away every time somebody gets a Netspend card? 20 to the person who joins, 20 to the person who referred them. Well, my experience was with Chase Bank. I was going through their ATM. I was using another card. They said, hey man, maybe we can get this guy as a customer. So I would see an advertisement on the screen that said, come on in, open an account with Chase, and we'll put $100 in your account. Well, the second time that I went to that ATM, I saw that ad. I had time to go in there. I walked in, and sure enough, I opened an account with them. They put $100 on my account. That was a special offer that they had going at the time. So you say, wow, man, I wish this was $100. Sure, but this is even more powerful than $100. And here's the reason why. If I had told 100 people about that opportunity at Chase, guess what? I wouldn't have made any more money. But I made thousands upon thousands of dollars with the Netspend opportunity because they give you money for referring other people. Hey, that's smart. That's great business. So it just makes sense. That's why they're doing it. Guys, get your Netspend card. Activate it right away. Load it right away. Get your free 20. Get your free 40 by referring one other person. Anybody that you know that's a close friend or a relative, you can just say, hey, get this card, they give you 20 bucks. Everybody wants a free $20. We bend over to pick up a penny. Why wouldn't we go down to a local store or even on the internet, deposit $40 and get an instant extra 20? Of course, it just makes sense. Everybody's going to want to do it.